Hello, readers. Welcome to Flow Space 101 Reading Flow. Today, we will begin the life and times of the ant part 1. In this lesson, we will focus on vocabulary and context and our first reading of the article. Our big question is, how can tiny ants have an important role in the world? Ants may be small, but they are amazing living things. They build homes, work together, transport food, and help nature in many ways. Before we read deeply, we will learn important vocabulary words that will help us understand the article better. Today's learning flow has 7 steps. First, we will learn 10 target vocabulary words. Next, we will use context clues to understand the words. Then, we will practice word meanings and answer vocabulary questions. After that, we will begin the article and think about 2 important reading skills: author's purpose and graphic features. Finally, we will draw conclusions about why ants build their homes underground. Strong vocabulary helps us understand nonfiction better, so let's begin with the words. Here are our target vocabulary words. Repeat after me. Social exchange, excess reinforce storage, transport chambers, scarce obstacles, transfers. These words connect to how ants live, build, move, survive, and help nature. As we study each word, do not just memorize the meaning. Try to understand how the word is used in a sentence. That is called learning vocabulary in context. Let's look at our first 3 words. The first word is social. Social means living or working together in a group. Ants are social because they live in colonies. They work together and depend on one another. The second word is exchanges. Exchanges means giving and receiving something. Animals may exchange food, signals, or help. The third word is excess. Excess means more than is needed. If there is excess food, there is extra food. Now try the student practice sentence. Ants are social because a strong answer could be, ants are social because they live and work together in colonies. Now let's learn 3 more words. The first word is reinforce. Reinforce means to make stronger. Ants may reinforce their homes to protect the colony. People can also reinforce a wall, a bridge, or even a habit. The second word is storage. Storage means a place to keep things for later. Ants may keep food in storage. People use closets, cabinets, garages, or boxes for storage. The third word is transport. Transport means to move something from one place to another. Ants transport food, seeds, and leaves. Now complete the sentence. Ants transport from one place to another. You could say, ants transport food from one place to another. Let's look at the last 4 words. The first word is chamber. A chamber is a room or enclosed space. An ant nest has many underground chambers. The second word is scarce. Scarce means hard to find or not enough. Food or water can be scarce in nature. The third word is obstacles. Obstacles are things that block the way or make something difficult. Rocks, water, or long distances can be obstacles for ants. The fourth word is transfers. Transfers means moves or passes something from one place to another. Ants may transfer seeds to new places. Now try the sentence. When food is scarce, ants need to... A possible answer is, when food is scarce, ants need to search carefully or use stored food. Now let's practice. Choose the correct word. Number 1, living and working together means what? The answer is social. Number 2, a room inside an ant home is a what? The answer is chamber. Number 3, to move something means what? The answer is transport. Number 4, more than needed means what? The answer is excess. Number 5, something that blocks the way is what? The answer is obstacle. Great job! These words will help us understand the article more clearly. Now let's use the vocabulary words in sentences. Look at the word bank first. Social, chamber, excess, obstacle, storage, transport, exchange, scarce, reinforce, transfer. Number 1, ants live together, so they are insects. The answer is social. Number 2, ants food to their nest. The answer is transport. Number 3, a room in an ant home is a... The answer is chamber. Number 4, food can be during dry seasons. The answer is scarce. Number 5, ants may keep food in. The answer is storage. When you fill in blanks, always check if the word fits the meaning and the grammar of the sentence. Now that we know the vocabulary, let's begin the article. The article is called The Life and Times of the Ant. As we read, we will think about 2 reading skills. The first skill is author's purpose. Ask yourself, why did the author write this article? The author wrote this article to inform readers about ants and explain how they live, work, build homes, and help nature. The second skill is graphic features. Graphic features are visual parts of a nonfiction text that help readers understand information. Examples include a title, illustrations, a timeline, pictures, labels, and diagrams. When you read nonfiction, do not skip the pictures and diagrams. They often give important information that the words do not explain fully. Let's check our first reading. Question 1. What makes ants social animals? A strong answer is, ants are social animals because they live in colonies, work together, communicate, and depend on one another to survive. Question 2. Why do ants construct their homes underground? A strong answer is, ants construct their homes underground to protect the colony, store food, raise young ants, stay safe from weather, and use different chambers for different jobs. Today, we learned target vocabulary, practiced using the words, and began thinking like nonfiction readers. In Part 2, we will read more deeply and learn how ants help plants, soil, animals, and the ecosystem. Thank you for learning with Flowspace 101. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next lesson.